Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another video. So today's video is going to be a mishmash of a whole lot of things. We are straightening up, taking out, refilling things, wiping down. It's just a Saturday here, and this is actually kind of a couple of things going on at the same time. Refilling things for the week, just all kinds of things. I've got to go into the laundry room over here, and I'm actually going to take those towels and washcloths out of where they are in there just to kind of make some room. Again, like I said, when I was redoing the living room, sometimes when there's a lot of stuff in my house, it just bothers me. Somebody is drinking water. Don't care you're filming a video, Mom. I need a drink. Hello. So I'm just going to be doing a few things. We're going to speed through quite a lot of this just to get a few things done. Porch projects, just cleaning out, making space, making room, really fallerizing the house. And we just thought you guys might want to come along and hang out with us while we fallerize. Been since I've been here. So, and they owe us $10,000, but now because we've been paying lawyer fees to try to get those people to pay what they owe, we're now no money in our HOA at all. And we've always carried a balance. But we've spent so much trying to get the people to pay who owe us, we don't have any money. So he's like, in order for us to be current or catch it up, those of us that have already paid can pay an extra $156, which would make my HOAs $356 for the year, because it's $200, which they went up on. And I wasn't at that meeting. So I'm not even sure when that all happened. But I've paid, because last year, at the beginning of this year, they're like, we don't have you paying. No, player, you need to go back and figure out why what's your name ain't working.
I don't deny there's some strange evolutionary process going on. But mankind won't be destroyed. And that you and I are working here.
It would have been. So I'm in my laundry room, and I want to show you what we did do. We had a lot of brooms and stuff here. Don't know how that got on the floor, but I'll pick that up. Either somebody was digging around in the trash, maybe. And so we cleaned out this quite a lot, only just to have the broom. We had brooms and dustpans and vacuum cleaners. We put all of that in the laundry room just to make this space a little bit more streamlined. And I actually am going to try to get another little shelfie thing to put in here. But one of the areas that we have some slight issues is here, right? So I have a cleaning bag, and then I have a bag for extra rags. This is Ma'am's bag. We have our laundry detergent stuff here, and then these two things hold towels. Now, we don't have a true linen closet in this house. We do just have these little bins here, and they've worked well. But I'm actually going to condense these bins and put all the towels into the linen closet in this kind of corner shelf that I have, and I'll show you. So here in this kind of linen closet situation, I have this little, it's a corner basket, and right now it's just holding blankets. So I'm going to get those blankets out. One of the blankets I actually have in my bedroom, I've moved, and I am going to put all the towels. We'll just fold them and put them in here, and the kids can get them out as they need them. And then we're going to move all of the meds up a row so that I can put hand towels, washcloths on this shelf right here. So all the towels will go in, and then we'll have hand towels and washcloths, and then all the meds will just continue to go on up. Anything that we can move out to the garage, we will. And I think this will be okay for now, just so I can clean out that laundry room. And just like that, lickety split, that is done. I was noticing that in the baskets that I had anyway, they were fading and discoloring. And some of the, like the edging was ripping. So if I use that again, I'll have to replace them. But instead of folding them flat, I just rolled the towels. There are some standing in the bottom. Some of the ones we don't use as often. And then the ones we use most often are just rolled and laying down on top. It all worked out perfectly fine. And then here we just have some rags. I know I have some in the laundry that I still will have to fold and put in here, but it'll be perfect. And then we just have medicines going up. So I did get 2 of those things out. I'm going to go back into the laundry room now and see what else I can do in there. All right, y'all. So what we did was we went ahead and took down, the only thing that's left in here now is our cleaning bag. And I'm still determining whether I'm going to leave the cleaning bag in here or not. But we got the bag of rags out. We put that into the garage. All the towels have been relocated. Of course, that's Ma'am's bag. So it's pretty bare in here right now. But I've got to figure out if I'm going to put anything else up in here at the moment. I would love to have cabinets in here that have doors because I am not an open space kind of person. Probably need to do some painting in here. But the biggest thing was getting that cleared out. I want to get another bin, trash bin kind of thing for our recycling. Right now, we just keep it in this plastic bag. But I'd like to get a bin. I'm sure I have something somewhere that would work for that without me having to spend extra money. But, and I need to find another rug for the kids' shoes. Because sometimes we go out and it's wet or it's rained or whatever. I don't want wet on the floor. But that's in here. And then up here is where we hung all of the extra brooms and Swiffer sweepers and the roller that we had inside the house in the laundry room. So we just hung it there for right now. That can always move, but it's perfectly fine. Of course, we have our deep freeze. And then we put all of our extra cleaning rags we put down in here. These are like extra rugs for the laundry room and then pads for the mops and stuff like that. So we have pretty much cleared it out. My hanging rack that I had my clothes on broke. So I've got to get another hanging rack. I think the weight was just too much. So that is broken. And I will need to find something else to hang my clothes on. But anyway, that's where we put the rags and stuff down in there. So anyway, you guys, there it is. Just a little bit of doing some stuff around the house. The kids and I had a free few minutes to get a few things. They're now inside terrorizing the dog, or the dog is terrorizing them, one of the two. But we just wanted to kind of share that, you know, sometimes you just take a few minutes, whenever you can find a few snatches of time and do a few things. So that's what we did around the house today. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure and thumb it up. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye now.